Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to add an item to the cart in the Amazon shopping application. The first thing you need to do is enter the app. After you have done that and you are in the home page, you should look at the top of your screen and there you will find the search bar. Press on it and now you should just search for an item here. For example, now I'm going to just show you a very simple example, which is shoes. Just press on it and you can see that it will appear all kind of shoes here. Now I don't have any filters here or any kind of categories that I have chosen. I'm just going to show you a simple one. For example, you like these black shoes here, you press on it, you can check out the details and everything basically about it, and if you like it, all you have to do is just press add to cart and you can see that it is added to the cart already. If you want to check it out, you can see it down below in the middle. You can see there is a cart symbol. Press on it and you can see here the item that you have added to it. So yeah, this is all about it. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you for listening and see you next time. Bye bye.